Hello everybody, PixelGFX here with another tutorial on Android, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make this cool looking banner on Android. So now let's get started.
Coming onto you like tied up on the sand, messing up your hair, soaking up your skin. Just one question.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might